Hey guys, welcome back to Stacking Stocks and thanks for joining us today. As usual, we have some great content for you today. And we're going to be talking about Immutable X launching as a platform for games with non fungible tokens or NFTs. That means that those games will have uniquely identifiable digital items that players can earn or buy or sell, allowing the players to own the items permanently. And Immutable X has created a marketplace for players in games such as Gods Unchained to buy and sell the items that they've collected. Now, don't you think that that's really amazing? Along with that, we're going to also discuss the migration of veve and the wider ECOMI ecosystem to Ethereum Layer 2 via Immutable X. Now, sit tight and stay tuned. What is Immutable X? Have you heard about it before? Immutable X is the brainchild of Immutable, an Australian game team that runs the NFT trading card game Gods Unchained. That leads us to another question. What's this game known as Gods Unchained? Well, Gods Unchained is an important NFT game as it's built by a 40-person development team. It's a play-to-earn game where players can earn collectibles over time, and they can make money by trading those collectibles, including the unique NFTs which can be proven by the blockchain, the secure digital ledger technology, to not be copied. Immutable X still is in its alpha stage, and it can be a blueprint for other blockchain games, creator marketplaces, traders, and digital economies. The platform's main net will be open to Gods Unchained players so they can use a marketplace for buying and selling. Now that looks really interesting, doesn't it? We'd say that a lot of players have always desired the play-to-earn feature. We believe that the move is going to help accelerate the mass adoption of NFTs in games. In the past few months, NFTs have exploded in other applications such as art, sports collectibles, and music. NBA Top Shot, a digital take on collectible basketball cards, is one example. Published by Animoca Brands and built by Dapper Labs, NBA Top Shot has surpassed $100 million in sales 5 months after going public to a worldwide audience. An NFT digital collage by the artist Beeple sold at Christie's for $69.3 million. You see, investors are pouring money into NFTs, and some of those investors are game fans. Well, it looks like investors that are fascinated by gaming have something to smile about at last, don't they? Their vision has been made a reality with the Immutable X Alpha release. Do you know that any NFT can now be traded, earned, shared, gamed, and collected completely gas-free on Ethereum? Note that gas fees are associated with creating the NFT. How did Immutable manage to achieve this? In 2020, Immutable found the solution on the crypto frontier with Starkware, which tapped the benefit of using the Ethereum cryptocurrency and its security without incurring huge fees. That's quite remarkable. We've also established that Immutable X is built on top of Starkware's Layer 2 scaling technology. The bottom line is that users don't have to trust in Immutable lasting permanently in order to keep owning their NFTs. They can just trust in Ethereum. Immutable X's mainnet is now available as the first Layer 2 solution for NFTs on Ethereum. If you're an investor and you have your doubts about Immutable, you can trust in Ethereum. Isn't that convincing enough? At the end of the day, the security offered by Ethereum is the whole point. Immutable focuses on scaling these games and these applications in a way that's best for users and ultimately still decentralized while still being super easy for mainstream applications to use. We believe that that's the reason behind the idea to build Immutable X. Did you know that Immutable spent a considerable amount of time trying to find the latter solution? The company is trying to make the proposition of NFT ownership available to everyone using Ethereum. Other solutions to Ethereum are creating alternative, faster cryptocurrencies with different methods of reaching a consensus. But these alternatives aren't as popular as using Ethereum. Would you still consider trying Immutable's products if they used any other cryptocurrency apart from Ethereum? Another solution is to create a sidechain with a different kind of processing for transactions. But those solutions can fail because their security still isn't as strong as Ethereum's. If the security fails, then so does the authenticity of the NFT, and that would be disastrous. The whole point of using Ethereum is to build trust amongst consumers as well as investors. We all know that Ethereum is the leading public blockchain in terms of network effects. Using Ethereum has got to be the best choice for Immutable. Who would doubt a top blockchain such as Ethereum? Did you know there are investors who rank it above Bitcoin? Some investors have a strong sentiment that Ethereum is the next big thing. The gods are evidently fond of tokens, with Immutable launching a new Ethereum token dubbed God's Dollars on the God's Unchained blockchain card game. The God's Dollars token will sit at the heart of the game's ecosystem, providing both in-game and external utility. At launch, God's Dollars will operate as a utility and governance token, giving holders a voice in the digital space, as well as active staking opportunities that allow players to earn rewards through gameplay campaigns. Over time, functionality will expand to embed the token within God's Unchained play-to-earn game loops, enabling players to earn God's Dollars tokens by simply playing the game. We call this the leisure economy, where we get paid to play games. As we mentioned before, this must have been what most consumers and investors have been waiting for. Don't you think that they're going to benefit a lot from the move by Immutable? Well, we've mentioned NFTs a lot. How does this work? NFTs use blockchain technology, the secure and transparent digital ledger behind cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, to uniquely identify digital objects. Blockchain can verify the authenticity of something by spreading the verification out among a bunch of computers, a validation process known as reaching consensus so that you can verify the authenticity and rarity of a particular NFT. But in the past, developers and creators creating NFT games faced a lot of friction to unlock the network effects of a scaled marketplace and economic potential of secondary NFT markets. Those parties faced high gas fees per mint or trade, and that's why Immutable made the move to integrate Ethereum to reduce gas fees. We established that the integration would allow Immutable X users to save on gas fees. Those are the fees for doing transactions on the blockchain, and also they would be able to enjoy more attractive game mechanics. Something to rejoice about for the users? We believe that Immutable seeks to improve its user experience, and we don't think there's a better way to make things better for its users. As long as the consumers are happy, what will impede the results? Immutable has had some great projects running alongside the God's Unchained token release. Let's talk about the migration of ECOMI to Ethereum via Immutable X. For starters, what do we know about ECOMI? ECOMI is a technology company based in Singapore and is leading the way in the emerging digital collectible space. Have you heard about ECOMI before? You see, ECOMI offers a one-stop shop for digital collectibles through the veve app, bringing pop culture and entertainment into the 21st century. Now, don't you think that's really amazing? The veve app allows users to experience true ownership of premium digital collectibles. Through the app marketplace, users can obtain common, rare, or one-of-a-kind digital collectibles, share these across a social network service, and exchange them with the veve community, all from the palm of their hand. ECOMI sees digital collectibles as the new asset class that offers intellectual property owners the opportunity for new revenue streams in the digital landscape. Digital streaming, gaming, and in-app purchasing have become a multi-billion-dollar market, and next to join this digital trend is the pop culture and collectibles industry. This industry seems to be getting a lot of attention from both consumers and investors. And don't you think that you should be keenly monitoring it? If you're worried about what to do, just sit tight and wait for a guide on how to go about it. The work to integrate Immutable is now complete and the migration is underway. Over the coming days and weeks, we'll give you more information about the migration process to give you a better understanding of Ethereum and Immutable X's Layer 2. Once again, many thanks for tuning in to Stacking Stocks today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time, and as always, remember to invest wisely.